The rise of the machines. AI is here. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. From our smartphones to self-driving cars, AI is rapidly changing our world. The engineering field is no exception. AI is transforming how engineers design, build, and maintain complex systems. This technology is here to stay. It's important to understand its impact on the future of engineering jobs. AI is not just a futuristic fantasy, it's already playing a vital role in our lives. In healthcare, AI is assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy. In finance, AI-powered algorithms are making investment decisions at lightning speed. The possibilities seem endless. As AI continues to evolve, its presence will only grow stronger in the coming years. This raises important questions about the future of work, particularly in fields like engineering. Will AI replace human engineers altogether? Or will it empower them to achieve new heights of innovation and efficiency? The truth likely lies somewhere in between. While AI possesses impressive capabilities, it also has limitations. Understanding the nuances of AI's potential and its limitations is crucial for navigating the evolving landscape of the engineering profession. AI is basically a set of computer algorithms that can learn from data and make decisions. In engineering, AI can be used for a variety of tasks. These include analyzing large datasets, optimizing designs, and even controlling robots. Essentially, AI can automate repetitive or complex tasks. This frees up engineers to focus on more creative and strategic work. Imagine an AI system analyzing thousands of design variations to find the most efficient one. Or picture robots on a construction site, working tirelessly alongside human engineers. These are just a few examples of how AI is changing the face of engineering. However, it's important to remember that AI is not a magic bullet. It has its limitations. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the data is biased or incomplete, the AI system's output will be flawed. While AI excels at processing vast amounts of data, it struggles with tasks that require human intuition, creativity, and ethical judgment. Engineering often involves dealing with unpredictable situations and making complex decisions that impact human lives. In these areas, human engineers remain irreplaceable. AI is already being used in a wide range of engineering fields. In civil engineering, AI is helping to optimize traffic flow and design safer bridges. In mechanical engineering, AI is being used to develop more efficient engines and predict equipment failures. One notable example is the use of AI in the development